Hi, this is S. Mahto, accounts and tax consultant from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. If you have a sole proprietorship business and you are dreaming to encourage it, then you have a good opportunity to encourage your business by forming one person company. So today I will provide total details relating to one person company. What are the benefits of OPC? So the benefits are: it is a one member company, private company in nature, encourage entrepreneurship and corporatization of your business, separate legal entity and the limited liability. But it have some limitations also, and the limitations are: the OPC cannot incorporate it or convert into Section 8 company. It cannot carry out non-banking financial investment activity also. Once you incorporate OPC, then you cannot voluntarily convert it into any kind of company unless 2 years have expired from the date of its incorporation, except where the paid up share capital increases beyond rupees 50 lakhs or its average annual turnover during relevant period exceed rupees 2 crore. Okay. Next question is, who can incorporate OPC or become a nominee of the OPC? So the answer is only natural person who is an Indian citizen and resident in India shall be eligible to incorporate OPC or become a nominee of the OPC. Fine. Remember one more thing: no minor shall become member or nominee of the ACC. There are some important rules relating to OPC, and that are: the memorandum of OPC shall indicate the name of nominee who shall, in the event of subscriber's death or his incapacity to contract, become a member of the company. That nominee shall give his prior written consent in prescribed form INC 3 to the company, and same shall be filed with ROC at the time of its incorporation. Okay. Next important thing is, nominee may given the right to withdraw his consent also. The member of company may at any time change the name of nominee by giving notice to the company, and the company shall intimate the same to the registrar of the company. Okay. So this was the total knowledge relating to OPC. So if you are interested to encourage your business by forming OPC, so please contact Asmato Accounts and Tax Consultancy firm. Thank you for watching this video.